This is 90 centimeters. That one is Satan's component. Why this one is JSTV company. This one is JSTV company. But in terms of network, in terms of signal, this panel, this JSTV panel, you can track JSTV signal here, and you can still track Saturn signal here, and you can still track free-to-air signal here. In terms of signal, it is the same thing. It is universal. All the dishes are universal. You can track even this one. You can track all the channel here. This one you can track all the channel here. So this one is JSTV company. So so now let me teach you how to open it. This one is called LMB arm. This is LMB arm. Why this one is called mount bracket. This is mount bracket. Why this one is called west bracket. West bracket. Why this one is U-shape. This one is LMB holder. The one that you used to hold LMB on top like this, as you can see. LMB holder. Why this one is called LMB. LMB. The full meaning of LMB is low noise block. It's used to take a signal from the reflector and send it down to receiver. This is the work of this LMB. And we have two types of LMB. We have C band LMB and we have KU LMB. This one is called KU. This is KU that you use to mount it on 90 centimeters or 60 centimeters. This is the work of this. Some of my customers are calling it touch because they see it in the form of touch. It's not a touch. It's LMB. So these are not and both. This is how it is. This is the way it is without any error. You see this mount bracket. It has an arrow like this. This arrow, it has arrow and arrow like this. This arrow, as you can see the arrow. When mounting this, the arrow must go up like this, not this way, just like this. This is how it is. The first step, you carry your LMB arm, you put it like this. You tighten it like this. You tighten it like this. Yes, this is how it is. Without any mistake. You tighten it like this. Tighten like this. There it is. That is very strong. Something like this. Yes. As you can see it. See the arrow must go up like this. Yes, now you come and mount it here. Mount it here. Yeah, 30 not on board. Just fix them like this. Tight it. Technically, this is how it is without any error. If you make mistake, it will be very difficult for you to trace, to track and get a signal. This is why we are doing it gently. You have to pay more attention. How do you at least spanner? You need to tight it. Wet bracket. This wet bracket, it has a hole like this. This hole must always go up like this. See the hole here. It must go up too. Like this. This is how it is. LMB holder. The reason why I fix this one last, the reason is that because this thing is a rubber. If you fix it before tightening the mount bracket, by the time that you turn it like this, and this rubber hit the ground, it will break. That is why it must always be last. To avoid breaking of your LMB holder. Fix it last. It must come last. Open this and fix your LMB gently. That's your LMB. That your LMB like this. So